Listen, if you're tired of the same old noise, promises of passive income that never really pay off, endless spinning your wheels with investments that leave you broke or burned, then you have to hear this now. Renewable energy Yieldcos. They're not just some buzzword or another fad for your portfolio. They're the game changer you've been missing, and if you don't get on board, you're watching opportunity slip through your fingers while everyone else banks on steady, reliable cash flow. Here's the brutal truth. Most passive income setups out there are traps masked as opportunities. They sell you dreams of easy money, but when the noise settles, you're stuck with complexity, hidden fees, or companies that choke on their debt. But Yieldcos? They're built differently. They're the bridge between your capital and a future where energy is clean, demand is exploding, and governments worldwide can't stop throwing incentives at renewables. It's cash with a cause, cash with a backbone. Stop thinking of them as just energy stocks. These are power plants fueling the future, and every dividend they pay is a stake in a planet worth living on. But that's just the surface. The real juice is in how they're structured, stable, asset-backed, and designed specifically to generate reliable income over decades. You want security? They hand it to you. You want growth? They're sitting on the fastest-growing sector on Earth. But you won't find that if you're lazy or afraid to dig deeper. Here's what you do next. First, don't settle for any Yieldco. Not all are equal. Look for ones with a diversified mix of energy sources: solar, wind, hydro. You want that spread, because the market is volatile and weather patterns can't be predicted. Second, zero in on Yieldcos with strong sponsors. That means companies with a track record of managing assets well and balancing risk, not chasing gimmicks. If the parent company stinks, you'll get burned, plain and simple. Third, dig into their contracts, the power purchase agreements. Find Yieldcos that lock in long-term deals with credit-worthy buyers. If you're building a passive income stream, you want cash flow you can count on, not a roller coaster. Fourth, watch their leverage closely. Too much debt is a red flag. These companies need balance sheets that can handle shocks without wiping you out. And here's the kicker. Yieldcos offer more than cash flow. They give you leverage in the transition to a better world and bring you into a community of investors who actually care about where their money goes. This is where impact investing meets serious returns. You don't have to choose between profit and purpose. They can and should be one and the same. Stop wasting time with outdated ways of investing that ignore both risk and opportunity. This isn't just about making money. It's about making your money work harder and smarter. Yieldcos let you plug into a system that's growing while the old fossil fuel world crumbles. They're the infrastructure of tomorrow's wealth, and if you don't take advantage, someone else is going to build the future you wish you were part of. Get ruthless with your research. Cut through the hype. Find the Yieldcos that have the right assets, the right contracts, and the right leadership. Position yourself not as a passive spectator, but as a player who's locking down stable income and growth in one of the most dynamic markets on the planet. This isn't a game for the comfortable or the slow. It's for those who want out of the grind, who want real returns without the BS. Yieldcos in renewable energy are the ultimate passive income hack, but only if you come at them with eyes wide open and a strategy that separates the winners from the wannabes. Step up now, or watch the train leave without you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to learn more.